carving. Yes, it's definitely carving. And we have a question. You have a question ready? Yes. Okay, another question. Hi. You have a fan right over there. Albert. Oh, that's right. Sorry. Albert, what is your favorite thing to carve?
Watermelon.
What's melon? You like to carve watermelon. But what do you like to do with watermelons? Creation of what?
For watermelon, you can do everything like mostly if you want the 3D technique. So it has a layer of color like green, white, pinkish, and the other side is the red color.
So basically, what I was just saying is anything as long as watermelon is there, because there's a lot you can do with a watermelon. Right? Is it eagle or whale? Give us a
I'm just coming here because I know that I can't even see it.
Oh, now I see why we have that. Anybody else with questions for Albert? Yes.
Sorry, that is a priority.
I'm sorry. Albert, do you have a website for some of your designs where we can see everything?
So I have a Facebook page, so where you can watch all my tutorial videos. And basically, I use a black site on Facebook. It's very black, so you can watch all my tutorial videos of carving. It's very black.
Okay. How is the question?
I cannot stand this.
Albert Bird Black. Bird Black, right? Yeah, Bird Black. Bird like B-I-R-D. Bird Black. Yes. Right here. Crazy, how are you? Okay, you have a question? Wait. Oh, let's find out from Albert, what is your favorite thing to do besides cooking?
Drawing, painting.
Drawing and painting. So now that you are mastering this, can you master drawing as well?
That's my basic.
That is definitely best. Well, are you married? I'm asking for my friend. Are you married?
Yes.
Okay.